Welcome to my kitchen. It's nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make strawberry shortcake, kind of little bitty tiny cakes. It's not exact, kind of a cake. It's something like a cupcake, tiny cake. We call it a tiny cake. Tiny strawberry shortcakes is what we're making today. And we're going to be using this stuff. Strawberries and grays, I guess. So stay tuned. If you're new, get subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, you know what's in store. Let's get to making this dessert. Oh, strawberries, so nice. It's very simple to make. You need some of these little dessert shells right here. You can pick them up very cheap at your local store, Walmart's, Save-A-Lot, places like that, Food City. Strawberries, these is fresh strawberries. You just wash them in the zinc and then chop them up. They're very tasty too. Some creamy whip here, and some sugar-free glaze. You don't have to get sugar-free, but I like this kind, and it's sugar-free, so that's a good thing. And you don't freeze it, it's, But this is very good. Pick you some up. If you ain't never tried this brand, it's delicious. So we take and put the little bitty tiny cakes into a plate. Next step is putting the fresh strawberries down inside of them. That didn't sound too good, but yes, just put them deep down inside of the cakes. You can mash them down some if you want to. You can chunk them up smaller too if you wanted to. Just like so. Then you open the glaze by cutting a corner. And we're going to just add some glaze to it. Right on top. Now we take the Cool Whip, open it up, a Creamy Whip. It's just the cheaper version of Cool Whip. We go here and we add a top spoonful. Just like so, to each one. So now that you got that done, they're ready to serve. They're very simple and easy to make, as you sing in the video. So let's try one out. So they look delicious, they smell delicious. Check them out. Now, to eat these, you can get a bowl and get you one out and put it in the bowl and use a fork. Or you can just pick it up by hand, which is extremely messy, and try to eat it like this. Whoops, I dropped some. And as I said before, it's extremely messy. So the bowl with a fork is the best way to eat it. It tastes so good. A fast, easy to make, a super good dessert. 1 out of 10, I give these a 10. If you've not made these before, try them out. They're delicious. I'm going to finish eating this one and eating a couple more. So if you enjoyed this video and you're new, get subscribed. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for taking the time out of your day watching another one of my videos. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching again.